and happy July 4th. Oh my goodness, I have the perfect beverage to celebrate July 4th. Who has not grown up with a root beer float? Well, maybe some other kind of float, but I grew up with root beer floats. So I'm going to show you guys how to do an over-the-top root beer float. It's so easy. First, you're going to start with your beautiful glass and about 2 good scoops of your favorite vanilla ice cream. Well, if somebody is diabetic in your crowd or watching their sugar intake, you're going to love this because I'm using the no sugar added Breyers vanilla and sugar-free A&W root beer. So easy. I just love this. This is such a treat. And then slowly into the side. And then you have to let the fizz calm down. Let that calm down before you add the final touch. We have homemade whipped cream. Now, if you guys have not seen my video on homemade whipped cream, check that out, okay? Because I'm telling you what, you talk about elevating a dish to superstar level. Look at this. How gorgeous is that? Like I said, we don't have these very often. All right, and to finish, we have just a little sprinkle of coconut sugar, which is going to complement that root beer flavor so well. And there you got it. Look at that. How great is that? And how easy. Oh my word, you make these for your family on July 4th, they're going to go, what? Yeah! Oh my goodness sakes. Give this a taste test. Oh my goodness sakes. That brings back so many wonderful memories. Oh my goodness sakes. It's wonderful. It's so light and refreshing. And guys, if you don't like root beer, because I know there's, it's the love it or hate it. That's the kind of thing. You either love it or hate it. So if you don't like that, do Pepsi, Coke, cheer wine, whatever is your favorite, okay? I'm telling you, this is sure to please. And when you try this, leave me a comment, guys. And no, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because that really helps us out. Well, you guys have a great and safe 4th of July. And we'll see you next time on Things Tina Does.